Okay, amigos, we are gonna learn some words in Spanish and English. And to help us, we are going to sound them out while we play our drums. If you don't have a box, you can play on your legs, or you can just grab a pillow and play on a pillow. Anything can be a drum, so don't worry. The first word we're going to learn is the word for bread. Bread! So in Spanish, or in Español, the word for bread is pan. When you say pan, say pan. Yeah! All right, you ready to try to play that on our drum? We're gonna go pan. Yeah, just like that. Pan, 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 pan. Good, muy bien. Our next word is the Spanish word for rice. Yeah, for rice. So in Español, or in Spanish, the word for rice is arroz. Arroz. You wanna try? Muy bien. Okay, now let's try to sound out arroz while we play our drums. Say arroz. Nice. Let's do it again. Arroz. 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 Hey! So, our last word of the day is, what do you think the word is? It's hamburger! Hamburger! Hamburger. And in Español, it is hamburguesa. Ah, I know it's so hard, but if you notice, they kind of sound alike. So hamburger and hamburguesa. Muy bien, let's try it and play it on our drum. So hamburguesa. Hamburguesa on our drum. Hamburguesa. Hey, muy bien! Hola amigos! If you had fun, subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. Or you can watch more videos by clicking that button over there by Teddy. Teddy, how are you moving?